Hello, my name is Robert Grossman and I'm head of production at Artome. Here at Artome, we do AV solutions made in factory. What that means is that all the components are assembled in our factory and delivered straight to the client's doorstep. They don't have to rely on the mercy of an AV installer who has to tackle all the problems of the existing room and supply chain where they don't have the components every time. We can provide all of this with our own electronics, build in our furniture and deliver to the client without no hassle. I'm fortunate to work on our M10 product, which is a convenient and simple AV solution for our clients. Simple doesn't mean every time easy. I really like my day-to-day job as orchestrating all the phases, starting from raw materials to production phases, to quality check, to deliveries, and getting everything in a nice bundle for our client at the delivery time that they want. We are not bound by limits that traditional AV system has. We can deliver same quality and on-time delivery to our clients every event or gathering that they are having. They don't have to stress about how are they going to use the product. Is it going to be on time here? How should I prepare for the event? These are taken care of by our product. I really like how Artome brings this authentic product to the market, and I love working with our team each day.